Okay, so hi to everyone. My name is Isorla Laya, and my group is Sol Muralles and Tomás Bella. In first place, I'm gonna introduce you to what is evolution. Evolution is the type of changes that a species have to do and to apply in their environment. It's the process by which different living organisms are believed to have developed for earlier forms during the history of the Earth. We can say already, on biology terms, that is the change in the characteristics of a species over several generations and relies on process of natural selection. We can say that natural selection is so important to take in account because it's the form that we understand why some species or organisms are living right here and why something is not. It's because this environment is not able to live. Thank you, and next we are gonna continue with the types of evolution.
Hi, I will talk about the three types of evolution. The first, convergent evolution, evolutionary convergence, or simple convergence, occurs when two similar structures have evolved independently from different ancestral structures and by very different development processes. Okay, the second, divergent evolution is the process by which related population of the same species become so isolate that they end up being very different from each other. It can occur in a population or only in a fragment of it. It is important to the emphasis that divergent evolution always has to have a common species from which the other starts. And the third is parallel evolution. Is the similar development of a trait in distinct species that are not closely related, but share a similar original trait in response to similar evolutionary pressure. Thank you. Continue with the examples.
Okay, so now I'm going to explain you some of the examples of evolution. First, we have the convergent evolution that includes the relationship between bat and insect wings, shark and dolphin bodies, and vertebrate with cephalopoid eyes. The best example I can give you is the echolocation that bats and dolphins have. Then we have the divergent evolution that we can appreciate in Galapagos finches, that basically are the prototype that Charles Darwin gave us. We have a voyage that led him to conclude that the finches diverged from their descendant species. And finally, we have an example of parallel evolution. This basically occurs when independent species acquire similar characteristics while evolving together at the same time in the same ecospace. An example of this is extinction of browsing horses and paleotheres. So thank you so much.